Hey, it's Mattia, welcome back. So let's continue learning about React. In the last video we learned how to create a component, and today we're gonna learn about props. Components that just return static stuff are kinda boring. We want our components to do something more exciting. Let's refactor our first component from the previous video to take props. Props is just an object that you can pass to components, and it can consist of anything. You can pass numbers, strings, functions, objects, other components, whatever you want. Okay, so let's rename our first component to second. You also have to do it here. And we can also change our return statement to return Mattia. You can put any string you want here, it doesn't matter. So this is a bit more exciting as we did some refactoring and changed the return statement, but still, the string is hard-coded and that's not really cool. Let's add a props argument to the function. And we can also change the return statement to say props.name. So the function now takes props as an argument and renders props.name. But as you can see, the screen still shows hello, but that's because we didn't pass any props to it. Let's pass some props to it. Now the component is properly rendered with the string that we passed to it, and you can pass literally anything, whatever you want. Let's do name. The way you do it, like we said, because props is just an object, the property names have to match. Because we gave it a name of name here, we have to do props.name. We can change it to whatever. If we do title, then we have to change it to title here. Now that's exciting, right? In the next video we'll talk about state. See ya!